my god. Oh my god, have you seen Jenny's engaged? Brian's having a baby. Damn, I really hate Facebook. I mean, I'm never on it. I'm totally never on it, I swear. Never. Oh my god. Hello Shopify world, my name is Andrew from ecomexperts.io, and that was just a horrible job in the intro. I don't have a phone because I'm recording with my phone and I was pretending to be on Facebook and it was a fail. Anyway, welcome to another Shopify review video. This week we're looking at ShopMessage. So it's a huge marketing tool. There is a 4.5 out of 5-star review, so 4.5 out of 5. Good, Andrew. Congratulations, I'm getting this right. Yeah! It has a 30-day free trial. After that, I think it's about $9, and then they have different pricing plan and structures, but I will explain all that on the back end. So I'm going to stop making lousy jokes and let's go to the back end. Okay, this app is installed and we are on the start guide. So again, thanks for all your support and messages supporting us. We really appreciate it. But enough about that. On the first page, we are asked to connect our Facebook profile to ShopMessage. Just click connect to Facebook button and a new window will appear. Ta-da! Give your necessary permission and we are back to the start guide. Okay, cool. Here, choose your business page and again, click on the blue button below. All right, we are still on the start guide and the next step is reserved for rules for automatically collecting opt-ins. On this page, you can choose if you want to reward your customers with discounts that will be sent to the customer's Facebook Messenger. You can choose between 10, 20, or 30% off. Simply choose from the drop-down menu. You can always skip the start guide by clicking on the skip now button on the bottom of the page. But this is a classic. They always ask you if you want help, you say no, and then 10 minutes later you get stuck and you start saying, oh, it's so badly documented. We will be generous on this demo store and we will choose 10% off and click continue. So this is a start guide as well. Probably this is some step 2 of the start guide. Doesn't matter since on this tab we can set rules for automatically sending messages to Facebook Messenger. At the end of the day, that's what we're here for. So on the left we have the types of messages and on the right we have a live preview. Other options for types of messages will be available once we reach the dashboard. So if you don't see what you like here, there is more coming. Keep watching. But here we have the cart abandonment, browse abandonment, order confirmation, and shipping notifications. I mean, those are kind of the core. These 4 messages are the most commonly used, so we will keep them all as turned on. Other than turning on and off messages, you can also preview and edit right from the start guide. So if you click on preview, the message will automatically be sent to your Facebook Messenger, but you can also see the message in the live preview right here on the right. Nice app design, I must admit. Well done, well done. And if you click on edit, you will be automatically redirected to the dashboard. But we won't do that because this start guide is actually pretty great and this is one of the first start guides ever I want to finish. So click on continue and we are on the payment tab. It's all about those dinero. We will go with free trial and after all that is done, we are finally on the dashboard. Okay, cool. So the dashboard looks clean and pretty easy to navigate. First, we see the progress tab, basically the things we went through already. If you scroll down, you can see campaign analytics. And again, it's pretty easy to navigate. On the left, we have navigation menus with dashboard, flows, growth plugins, campaigns, messenger menu, live view, discount settings, and support. Also, if you are stuck, you can always just, big surprise, contact the support via, and this is my personal favorite, live chat. Okay, let's go to the website and see what we have done. All right, here it is. It's looking good, but let's see what else we can do with it and how much customization is actually available. Go back to the dashboard and click on flows from the menu to the left.
Again, similar design as we had on the dashboard. First, we have the analytics, and right below you can see the insights for every type of message. So again, analytics is really important in these type of campaigns, so you know what works and what doesn't. We are on this tab for something else than analytics though. So click on the first message and we are on the new tab. Repeating design, but here you can also preview the message. Just click on preview button right here. It looks good. So we will just check how far you can customize everything. What are the limits? All right, click on the edit button and boom, new tab appeared. From here, you can change the flow of your messages, I think, and add additional messages. And for us, the most important thing is customization. So click on the three dots and then edit. We are on the message editor right now. Okay, we're getting there. And on the left, we have a list of elements you can add, like a text, link, images, carousel, receipt, cart, and video or attachment. All right, that's more than I thought. On the right, there is a preview of it again. And if you want to edit any element from the preview, just click on it. So very easy to use, a very powerful editor. I mean, my grandma could use this. Okay, let's click on save and go back to the previous page. From this page, you can also set or edit message triggers. So by clicking on the rules button right here, let's see what other things this app offers. So go ahead and click on growth plugins from the menu to the left. Now I'm expecting some real growth here. Let's see what it has. The growth plugins are messages that will help you grow your existing messenger list. Nothing new in this tab, so we're just gonna go real quick to the messenger menu right here. The messenger menu is basically what the name says. Additional buttons in the message sent to clients. Simply turn on this button here and add as many items as you want. Damn. Shop now, get help, and manage notifications are recommended, so we are gonna go with those. If you want to add more items, just click on the add menu item and again click on save and you are set. Also, this app allows you to track your site activity in the Live View tab. And if you click on discounts, you can create or edit existing discounts. And that's it. Guys, this app is pretty badass. It's very intuitive to set up and it has a tons of powerful features. So if you want to start growing your Messenger club, we totally recommend it.
All right, that was it for today, people. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you're checking out the other videos as well. We did reviews, meta fields, a whole bunch of stuff. I said stuff.
Okay.
And also, if you could like, subscribe, it would mean a lot to us. It would tell us that we're actually doing something decent. Otherwise, or either case, you can leave comments below motivating us or telling us which app we should do next. Thank you so much. My name is Andrew from ecomexperts.io, and if you need any dev work done on your Shopify store, you know where to find us. Adios.